Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another massive, powerful, super episode right here on this channel. In this video, we are going to look at YAML in Python. What exactly is YAML? So, YAML Ain't Markup Language is a human-readable data serialization format popular in the Python ecosystem. It offers a clean, intuitive alternative to JSON and XML for configuration files and data exchange using meaningful white space and minimal punctuation that aligns well with Python's indentation based syntax. So how do you use YAML in Python? Python actually offers several libraries for YAML support. PyYAML, most widely used implementation, and YAML preserves comments and order, and then strict YAML for security and validation. To get started, you have to run the pip install PyYAML in your command line or CMD or maybe terminal on Mac to get started. This actually allows you to read and write YAML documents in your Python application. So we'll look at why you can use YAML in Python. Configuration file. YAML's clean structure actually makes it ideal for application settings in Django, Docker, and CI/CD pipelines. Also for data exchange, we have an efficient format for transferring human-readable structured data between systems, and then also object serialization. Python actually objects can be serialized to YAML for storage and later deserialized, useful for persistence. So on my left hand side we have this example import YAML. Okay, import YAML right here, and then this code. So try it out in your VS Code and your PyCharm, any of them that you have. Let us know how it went in the comment section. That is it for now for this video in YAML. Thanks once again.